Could you be more successful if you were in a different type of sales job? That's something I discovered many years ago. Let's talk about it. Many years ago, I started out doing primarily B2C outside sales. And what do I mean by that? I started out as a newspaper delivery person. That was my first job when I was still in high school. And I would go door to door selling the newspaper. As a child, I was successful selling the newspaper door to door because adults generally wanted to support young people in their community working and delivering the newspaper. It wasn't expensive and people wanted the news, right? This was long before the internet and email and all that. So the newspaper served a valuable role in the local community, and I was in rural Arizona. As I grew up and wanted to continue on in a sales medium, I thought outside sales in a B2C environment was right for me. Wrong. I found out that it was absolutely not a good area for me as an adult. I did not succeed in multiple outside B2C sales positions, one after another, failure after failure after failure. But then, later in my career, when I went into B2B inside sales, I found success. And what I found interesting about that was that it was very different inside selling versus outside selling. And I was even successful in a B2C inside sales environment. So I realized, I'm better at inside sales than outside sales because I felt more comfortable speaking to people over the phone that I didn't know rather than speaking to them at their doors or in their offices when I didn't know them, because I had tried a B2B outside sales position for a little while too. Also did not do well. You need to know yourself. Where are you strong? Where are you not as strong? Over time, I also realized I like B2B selling more than B2C selling. Generally, a larger sale, having to make fewer sales, bigger commissions, it worked for me. And that's what I do now. I do B2B selling. And I would say inside generally, because I'm now meeting with people generally over Zoom, over Teams. I'm talking to them on the phone. I'm rarely meeting people in person in a selling situation. It's all inside, and that's where I have my strengths. I was so good at it that in the last B2B outside sales position I had, I was on the verge of getting fired, but before so, they wanted me to hold some inside sales clinics for some of the other salespeople that were struggling to set appointments over the phone. So even though I was terrible outside, they saw my gifts at inside selling and wanted to leverage that before I left the company. So here's my message for you. There are different types of sales positions. You may not be the type of adaptive person who is so talented, so gifted that you can succeed regardless of whether it's B2B, B2C, inside, outside, with commission, without commission, all commission. Know yourself and learn to go in the direction in which you have strengths and talents and gifts. You're likely to be more successful, make more money, and be happier. If you have questions related to what I've talked about here, post them in the comments below. Or if you have an observation and insight about what's the better type of sales job for you, post that in the comments below too. And of course, once you have that insight, you then have to have the courage to put it into action and go find the right job for you and thrive. If you'd like to learn more about how to be successful in any sales position that you choose, consider investing in my new online sales course. It is guaranteed to help you be better, or you can ask for your money back. And if you'd just like to learn more about my sales training and coaching, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. In the meantime, more videos will be coming, so please like the ones that you appreciate, share the ones that can help others, and subscribe to the channel. Best wishes to you.